This video provides an overview of the electronic logging device by FamHost, the industry's most advanced solution for the ELD mandate, integrated with Driver Vehicle Inspection Report. The FamHost ELD can be standalone or a complete fleet management solution with options including Wi-Fi, cameras, and IoT tool and temperature tracking. Standalone ELD provides plug-and-play functionality, GPS tracking, engine diagnostics, electronic logging, hours of service, and driver vehicle inspection reports. The FamHost Fleet Management Solution also provides driver behavior, a built-in camera system, and many other options including temperature monitoring and tool tracking. It is economical because it sends the ECM data via Wi-Fi to the DriverLog and Hours of Service app. The FamHost ELD enables you to be compliant with all rules in North America, including Mexico and Canada. The system switches automatically to the appropriate rule based on location. It uses one SIM and one data plan for fleet management, ELD compliance, and optional cameras and sensor tracking like temperature and tool tracking. The driver can use a less expensive Wi-Fi only tablet without a SIM card. The FamHost DriverLog app supports English, Spanish, and French Canadian, and can be integrated with a camera system as well as tool sensor and temperature tracking. The DriverLog ELD app shows the driver their current and on-duty HOS status for the shift cycle and enables them to change their duty status at the push of a button. It takes the stress away and enables the driver to approach DOT inspection knowing everything is in order with a password-protected officer view. The secure FamHost Fleet portal has all sorts of reports, dashboards, and customizable alerts, enabling you to know with a few clicks everything you need from any device, anytime. FamHost also has easy-to-use webhooks and an API that enables you to integrate into third-party applications.